Mwah. Are you playing on your duck? You crawling over your duck? Did you get eye-centered on your duck? You see the turmoil you've caused, Papa. His little feet back here just to go in. What happened? What happened? Here, give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Mwah. Mwah. Say bye-bye. Say thank you, Papa.